viewers, welcome to our class on banking. Today's subject is on performance of the scheduled commercial bank for the second quarter of 22-23, that is for the months of July, August and September 22. Friends, as per our analysis, we find that the most of the scheduled commercial banks are expected to show a robust financial growth in terms of profitability, in terms of net interest margin during second quarter of 22-23. But before going to the detailed analysis, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Timir Baron Chatterjee. I am the mentor and senior partner of TCN Global. Friends, we have analyzed the operational aspect of the major banking companies in India. But before going to that, I would like to quote a statement given by Honorable Mr. K.V. Kamath, a veteran banker and former chief of ICICI Bank. He said, quote it, "The Indian banking industry is in its best shape in the last 50 years with regard to asset quality and capital adequacy." I repeat, the Indian banking system, that is industry, is in its best shape in the last 50 years with regard to asset quality and capital adequacy. In this background, I would like to give you some facts and figures. As per our informations, we find that there has been a robust credit growth in the second quarter of 22-23. Credit growth of all scheduled banks in the second quarter up to August 26-22 was about 80,000 crore as compared to a decline of about 33,000 crore in the year ago period. Now, if you compare it with the deposit growth was not very significant. It was around 30,500 crores during the reporting period. Now, recently CARE has also given a rating report. Observe that credit optics, which showed an improving trend in the later part of 21-22, has continued during 22-23. Now, we have analyzed the basic reasons for this robust growth of the banks, and also we analyzed which of the banks are expected to show a significant performance during this second quarter. First, I try to explain you why this growth. First, as already explained, there has been a robust credit growth. Most important reason for the improved profitability is basically sharp drop of loan loss provisions. That means bad debt. There has been a significant drop in the provisions part. What further? RBI has increased policy rate by 190 basis points since May 22. But if you see the rate of interest offered to the fixed deposit holders, that is term deposits, rate has not been increased in that proportion. There has been increase of interest rate on fixed deposits, but if you compare it, the rate increased on advances and the enhanced rate offered to the fixed deposit holders, there is a big gap. And that is the additional NIM, net interest margin of the bank. So there are three important causes for high profitability. Number one, increased advances. Two, higher rate of interest charged on the borrowings because of RBI's increase of repo rate by 190 basis points. Third, the interest rate increased on fixed deposits are comparatively very low. As a result, the effective rate of interest on borrowing and the effective rate of interest on term deposits, there has been a significant gap, and that is really called the spread, and that spread will have a significant impact on the profitability. Now, we have also analyzed and find that and identified about 6 banks that are expected to show a very significant result. The name of those banks are Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank and IndusInd Bank. These are not investment recommendations. We just want to share our analysis to show that these are the 6 banks which are expected to gain significantly arising out of enhanced in loan to the corporates or borrowers, lower payment of interest to the fixed deposit holders, and of course drop in bad debt provisions. These are the major reasons. Many thanks to the IBC, SARFAESI Act, which helped banks to realize a significant amount of loan loss and helped the bank to gain immensely. Friends, this analysis is based on our in-house research team. We are not recommending any sort of investments. It is just sharing of our research analysis. If you like these deliberations and if you continue to get similar videos on various commercial and business areas, including foreign trade, taxations, bilateral agreements, for free trade agreements, etc. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Your subscription will help us immensely to continue our operations and come out with similar interesting topics. Thank you very much.